Hello and welcome to this insightful episode. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. Today we're going to unpack how emerging technologies are completely transforming the landscape of facility management. We'll be giving you a peek into how tools like UpKeep can make your work processes faster, communication smoother, and help you reduce clutter. You're going to see firsthand how maintenance management can be revolutionized with the right tools. In this episode, we discuss how modern technology, like smartphones and the cloud, is revolutionizing the way facilities are managed. UpKeep Maintenance Management is at the forefront, integrating these technologies to enhance your operations. We'll explore how using a tool like UpKeep can transform your facility management. Let's first tackle how to speed up employee training and work processes. Traditional methods of training new employees in maintenance management can be time-consuming and cumbersome. Before tools like UpKeep, newcomers would need extensive training on various processes like logging schedules, submitting work orders, and managing stock inventory. Now imagine having all your data and records in one accessible place, the UpKeep cloud. This shift means training becomes a breeze, and the platform's user-friendly nature makes adapting to new changes straightforward. By streamlining tasks such as submitting and accepting work orders, tracking inventory, and scheduling maintenance requests, UpKeep puts more time back into your team's hands. Next, we will talk about how effective communication is crucial for any asset management firm, and how UpKeep radically enhances this aspect. Whether you're using a phone, tablet, or desktop, UpKeep's application keeps you connected. Push notifications allow real-time updates and communication with your team. You can send and view data trends, and even share pictures of inventory and repairs all through the app. This means long back-and-forth emails are no longer necessary. UpKeep simplifies communication, making it possible to provide simultaneous updates to all team members with the ease of an app. Lastly, we discuss the environmental benefits. UpKeep helps you reduce paperwork and clutter. Whether you need to submit a work order, manage billing, schedules, or expense reports, everything can be done online. This not only makes your workspace tidier, but also supports environmental sustainability. You can save all your information in the cloud and access it from anywhere, anytime. In conclusion, the advent of advanced technology like UpKeep is making it easier than ever to manage maintenance and facilities. It speeds up work, enhances communication, and supports a greener planet. Experience these benefits and more by downloading UpKeep today. Thank you for watching this episode. We've explored how UpKeep is revolutionizing facility management by speeding up work processes, enhancing communication, and promoting environmental sustainability. If you found this content valuable, please subscribe to our channel for more insights. To learn more about UpKeep and how it can transform your operations, visit our website at upkeep.com. We look forward to seeing you in our next video.